In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a spreadsheet. Let's walk through this step by step so you know exactly what to do and also what to watch out for as you transfer control to someone else. First, open the spreadsheet whose ownership you want to change. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the file, because only the owner can transfer ownership. If you're using the wrong account, you won't see the options we're about to use. So double-check that in the top right corner of your screen. Once your spreadsheet is open, look for the Share button, usually at the top right. Click that, and a sharing window will appear showing who currently has access to the file. This is where you can see yourself listed as the owner, along with anyone else who can view, comment, or edit. Before you can transfer ownership, the person you're handing it to needs to be listed as an editor. If they're not already there, type their email address into the Add People or Groups field. Set their permission to editor, and then click Share or Send to give them access. They may get an email letting them know they've been added. Now, once that person is an editor, find their name in the list of people with access. To the right of their name, you'll see a drop-down that currently says Editor. Click that drop-down. If your account has the right permissions, you should see an option that says Make Owner. Go ahead and click Make Owner. A confirmation message will pop up explaining that once you transfer ownership, you might lose some abilities, like permanently deleting the file or removing other people's access. Read that message so you understand the implications, and if you're sure, confirm the change. After you confirm, the ownership of the spreadsheet will be transferred. The new owner will now have full control over sharing settings, including the ability to remove you if they need to. In many cases, you'll still remain as an editor, but you'll no longer be the primary owner. A quick tip here. If you're doing this for work or a shared project, it's a good idea to let the new owner know in advance, so they're ready to manage access and settings. Also, remember that in some organizational accounts, your admin might restrict who you can transfer ownership to, especially outside the organization. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can smoothly hand off responsibility for a spreadsheet while keeping your team's work organized and under the right person's control.